The governor is in two sections: the valve and its spring, and a central stem and bob weight retained by a C-clip. It operates by centrifugal force in two stages. In the first stage, at lower road speeds, the bob weight and valve act as one unit. Rotation of the governor throws out the bob weight, causing the valve to uncover the line pressure supply port, and fluid under pressure flows through the port to exert thrust on the face of the valve. This thrust increases until it can close the valve against the opposition of the centrifugal force. The valve action produces a pressure at the outlet proportional to the force acting on the bob weight. As speed increases, pressure needed to close the valve increases also. For any given value of line pressure, the result is a governor pressure which increases with speed. The second stage starts when the bob weight stop contacts the body. Balance between opening and closing the valve is now achieved by the centrifugal effect on the valve and the fluid acting on its pressure face.